Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the topic of determiner, the rest part of the determiner, and the usage of the determiners. Just see. Next one is distributive adjectives. In distributive adjectives, there are four: each, every, either, and neither. One thing more: after these, each, every, either, and neither, there always use of singular helping verb. Singular helping verb. In every condition, there is the use of each in any sentence. The helping verb always singular. The usage of these adjectives just see. Each means one of, two, and more than, and more than. In every, one of, more than, two. Either one of two, one of two, and in neither, none of the two. Just see. Each means one of the two and more than. For particular one of the two and maybe more than two. In every condition, one of the more than two. In the condition that particularly that there are so many things, many person, and you also just describe about the particularly one. After that, either means one of two, and neither, none of the two. Either there is also some word either or, and neither nor. For example of each student got the prize. Each student got the prize. Next one, every. The example of every is every country has its own flag. Every country, you just see there is the singular helping word, and due to this word every. After that, either means one of two. Either road is safe. It means there are two roads, but one road is safe. That it means one of two, and we can use the adjective either if we want to describe one among two. After that, neither means none of two, none of the two. It means nothing among two. For example, neither street is clean. It means there are two street, but no any street is clean. That's why we can use neither. Either one of two. Second thing, after the either there is also again singular helping word, and after neither there also singular helping word. And the signal word either or, either you or your brother can do it. Either you or your brother can do it. Neither as well as nor. Neither you nor your brother can do it. Next one is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Adjectives. In this, there are only three: which, what, and whose. These three words, these are also pronouns, and these are also interrogative pronoun and relative pronoun and relative pronoun. In interrogative pronoun, after these, after which, what, and whose, they're also helping verbs. They're also helping verbs. In this condition, they also work as interrogative pronoun. In any sentence after them, there are helping verbs that they work as an interrogative pronoun. In a relative pronoun, if these words join two sentences, these words join two sentences, these are work as relative pronouns. But in adjective, they work as an adjective. After them, there will be noun. After that, there will be noun. They work as adjective. And which adjective? Interrogative adjective. For example, whose shirts? Whose shirts are you using? Whose shirt are you using? After that, this is also the word WH word, and this is also adjective. Because adjective, there is the word is shirt, and shirt is the noun. That's why this is adjective. Another, what job do you? What job do you prefer? It means WH word and job. This is also again noun, and that's why this is adjective. Next one is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. In adjective of quantity, there are many adjectives. For example, little, a little, and the little. Much, no, some, less, sufficient, whole, etc. These are adjective of quantity. First one, we will discuss about little. Little denotes quantity. Denotes quantity. How much quantity? Less quantity. It means little is used in a negative sense. Negative sense. It means this denotes nothing. Nothing. which is in quantity, which is in quantity. For example, the example of little, there is little milk in the jug, it means there is too less milk in the jug, it means not much, that it also equivalent to nothing, that it also used in the negative sense. Next one is a little. A little means something, some, in quantity, for example, a little knowledge, a little knowledge is dangerous thing, it means some, and knowledge, this is also quantity. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing, this also denotes something which is in quantity. Next one is the little, it means that you had. The little, it means in quantity, anything, any quantity things that you had, the entire you had. And there is also the word I had, this also appear at the last of the sentence. For example, I spent the little money I had, it means I spent the money I had, मीन्स जितना भी मेरे पास धन था वो मैंने खर्च कर दिया, इट मीन्स इट डिनोट एंटायर दैट यू हैड. In this way that we can describe about the little. Rest of these that we will discuss in the next lecture. Thanks and have a nice day.